Need help on what to comment on your girlfriend's Instagram or TikTok post? Here are a few witty ideas to riz your girl up online. First, try not pictured. Me squatting on the ground to get your angles. It highlights your dedication as her personal photographer. For a dramatic touch, comment, "Don't make me act up," or "Please reject me already so I can get some work done." If she looks stunning, try, "What's it like being hot?" Or, "God definitely has favorites." To show off your charm, use, "I'd take you to the movies, but they don't let snacks inside." Or, "Are you French? Because I fall for you." For a more creative laugh, comment, "Sending this pic to NASA because you're a freaking star." Or, "Is your dad a boxer? Because you're a knockout." Finally, if you're truly stunned, go with, "You're so beautiful, I forgot what I was going to comment." Try mixing humor with compliments to keep your relationship fun and her notifications popping.